Hello everybody. uh, this video I would like to put in YouTube since I have found the value for divide by 0. So in this video I'm not going to explain, I'm not going to reveal the numbers which I have found behind 0, where the whole world is been looking off. So this video is just I would like to show to all the max scholars, so to prove that I have found this value. That means the existing value of undefined numbers, a new mathematical era. Imagine if I found the values, or if I found the positive and negative of undefined, okay, number systems, the world, like psychology, philosophy, computer, and even max. So this all fields, you know well, get something evident to see behind the numbers. So we have been stopped in the divide by 0. That is what I would like to say. For example, if you take physics, the problem of a black hole, the scientists cannot explain, because something behind the black hole, okay, the how the black hole is being observing the lights, how it goes on. So no scientist cannot found, because it is being something which is not cannot measurable. That is what undefined, okay, that is what we define. So this concept, if we found the value of undefined, so definitely I believe that all kind of mysterious problems can be solved and sorted out. Okay, before that I would like to say, the people who have been not familiar with this divide by 0, I would like to show how it is, or the problem arises. So now see example, 3 divided by uh, 3 equal to 1. Okay, 3 divided by 2 equal to 1.5 exactly. So 3 divided by 1 equal to 3. So if you see, it is getting increasing, right? When denominator decreasing, the value get increasing. This is the mathematical limits. But when goes to 3 divided by 0, nothing, okay, it's called indefinite. So we cannot define a number. It is not infinity, it is we cannot define. The same way we have found that 3 by 0 is equal to indefinite. So yearly numbers are 3, 1.5, 1, indefinite, right? So now I'm just going in backside from the minus of 3 divided by 3, what comes? Minus 1. So minus 3 divided by 2, same, it is minus 1.5, and finally minus 3 divided by 1, which is nothing but 3, the 2 in minus. So what's happening here? Then comes to minus 3 divided by 0, okay, which leads to indefinite, So here the values is goes towards to the end of the minus, So imagine if I make a graph, okay, so this is the graph. So the value is going like this, so towards the minus sign. When denominator increasing, that means decreasing, the value goes to like for minus. For denominator decreasing, for the positive, the value goes like this. So it shows that After divide by 1, then directly goes indefined. But here also after divide by 1 it goes to indefined. So the confusion is actually it must comes here. Okay, so it is not infinite, it must be defined. So but the problem arises here, it is they cannot find the number, so here goes. For example, 3 divided by 0, which is called indefinite, right? So I'm just dividing 3 divided by 0, 5 divided by 0 equal to indefinite. So these two are equal, so I can equal this thing. So 3 divided by 0, which is equal to 5 divided by 0. As per the rules, numerator denominator the same, they can cancel it. So if I cancel, whether this 3 equal to 5, is it possible? It is the mathematical confusion. Yes, isn't it? So what is this indefined leads to? What this indefined going to tell us? Okay, the other way. So 3 divided by 0 equal to indefined. So I can interchange the value from here to here, since the equal is there. So 3 divided by indefined, which is equal to 0, isn't it? So now, so whatever the natural number which is multiplied by divided by indefinite value, indefinite symbol, it leads to 0. So which can be considered like this: 4 divided by indefinite, which is also lead to 0. So 4 divided by indefinite, which is equal to 3 divided by indefinite. So if I cancel indefinite, whether the 4 equal to 3, is it possible? No. So what is the solution? What is indefined? So what is indefined? That is what the mathematical people are being asking. What is indefined? Some people will say, stop, this is the mathematical error, just leave this and go. It's kind of stupidity, we cannot do anything else. It's maybe a math error, it may be something, the malfunction, something we cannot understand, just leave it, stop it. But beyond that, we have to think. So if example, so 3 divided by 0, which is in indefinite. If I have found the value of this, definitely is not equal to indefinite, which is equal to 5 by 3. I am so 5 by 0. So this indefinite is different. It's not equal, it is different. That is what I am trying to prove. I have the number. My point is, I would like to show this video to all the mathematicians who across the world. Kindly please acknowledge this, and if you really would like to know what is the number, kindly make sure we will have a conference meeting. I will try to explain the phenomena. If really you found it's genuine, if you found it is right, please acknowledge this theorem and make sure that this is applied in everywhere. So that is what I try to or request you. If I approach in any particular university, if I approach any person, if this thing is being taken over, that is, I was scared to reveal this to any scholars directly to mail, directly to by person. So make sure, if your universities are ready to know what is indefined value, please kindly, we will have a conference meeting, we will have a seminar in online. So I will try to explain you. If really you found it is correct, yes, exactly, this is the way, and please kindly acknowledge it on the time. So maybe my work will be get acknowledged in a legal basis by the university. Please kindly share this video as much as possible. The motive of this one is the value of indefined is found by me thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So make sure that this video spread across all over the world. And one day, if I am going to have the meeting with all the scholars, I definitely reveal the number, what the number would like to be, and what are the mathematical miracles in the world of undefine. Please share as much as possible. Thank you.